What if I told you the secret to flawless, glowing skin lies in a humble grain of rice? Looking to achieve that youthful, radiant glow even as your skin matures? Welcome to a beauty ritual that has been passed down through generations in Korea. Now it's your turn to experience this timeless secret. In today's video, we're uncovering the magic of a DIY Korean rice cream that not only brightens and rejuvenates your skin, but also unlocks the door to that coveted, glassy, youthful glow, using Korean rice cream and how it can transform your skin over time. Whether you're looking to brighten your skin tone, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, or simply achieve a more radiant glow, Korean rice cream is an incredible ingredient that can help you get there. In this video, we'll dive deep into the secrets of Korean skincare, specifically tailored for mature skin. Ready to transform your skincare routine? Let's get started. Rice. Rice is the cornerstone of this cream, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It brightens the skin, reduces pigmentation, and smooths the complexion, giving you an even, radiant glow. Begin by placing 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice into a saucepan, then add 1 cup of water. Place the saucepan on the stove to begin cooking. Cook the rice over low heat until it becomes soft and mushy. Once the rice is cooked, remove the saucepan from the stove and allow the rice to cool for a few minutes. Next, transfer the rice into a blender. Blend it until smooth, and then transfer the rice paste into a clean bowl for the next steps. Raw milk is a natural moisturizer and cleanser. It contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, hydrates, and softens the skin, leaving it smooth and supple. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw milk to the rice paste and mix thoroughly until well combined. Olive oil. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants, like vitamin E, which protect the skin from environmental damage and keep it soft, supple, and youthful. Incorporate a spoonful of olive oil into the mixture and stir until it is well blended. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is deeply hydrating, rich in fatty acids, and helps lock in moisture. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the skin and prevent premature aging. Add a spoonful of coconut oil to the mixture and thoroughly mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Blend everything together until it's well combined and silky smooth. Now, our magical rice cream is ready to use. To keep your rice cream fresh and effective, store it in an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator. The cream will stay fresh for up to a week, and the cool temperature will also provide a refreshing sensation when applied to the skin. Application. Begin by cleansing your face to remove impurities. Take a small amount and gently massage it into your skin in circular motions, focusing on problem areas. Make sure to cover your entire face and neck. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. It's best to use this cream at night so that it can work overnight to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. With regular use, you'll start to see these amazing results. This cream brightens complexion, smooths skin texture, provides deep hydration, and imparts a radiant glow, giving you the flawless Korean skin you desire. And there you have it, your very own secret Korean rice cream. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this cream and share your results with us. We can't wait to hear how it worked for you. If this video sparked your interest, give it a thumbs up, share the glow with others, and subscribe to stay connected for more beauty revelations. Your feedback and support fuel my passion to create, so leave a comment and let's continue this journey to radiant skin together.